Alright, here we are at Ben and Jerry's Flavored Graveyard. It's actually quite a walk up here. We're parked down by the actual ice cream shop. But if you're in Vermont, I guess you got to come here. One of the things I wanted to do. This is where all the Ben and Jerry flavors go to rest. And here, Devil's Food Chocolate. Actually quite a few flavors. Vermont Python, 2006 to 2008. Wavy Gravy, 93 to 2001. Turtle Soup, 2006 to 2010. And the kids' play yard over there, down the hill. We walked all the way, like way up from back there where that green building is, roof building is, in front of that. Yeah. So it's ways, and it's raining today. Not the best weather, but and all the tours are booked up. They're really busy here. Fossil Fuel, 2005, 2010. The Witch. And we'll go on down here. Yeah, I don't need this. It's kind of getting in the way. But let's go up here.
This is bizarre.
Oh, here's a good one. It's seen on Saturday Night Live. Sweaty Balls. Nice Christmas sketch. Oat milk cookie chunk. Pina Colada, 2013. Cake batter. Oh, I guess this is pet friendly. I could have brought my pup. The berry kaboom. Boston cream pie, 2010-2016.
Very serious.
In memory of Holy Cannoli. No, this is an old one. This is from 97 to 98.
I was gonna ask because I'm seeing a lot of chocolate. Agree? And that's what you ordered.
Well, it's kind of neat. Quite the tourist attraction. I said, wanted to take a tour, but they were all booked up. Weather isn't cooperating much, but we'll make the best of it. Now, this one's from 79 to 91. Dastardly Mash. Back there, Cream Brulee, Urban Jumble, Rainforest Crunch. That's an old one. 89 to 99. This is nuts. Tennessee Mud, 88 to 89. Wild Maine Blueberry. Purple Passion Fruit. Sugar Plum. Devil's Fruit Chocolate. Chocolate chip cookie dough frozen yogurt. Aloha Macadamia. Fresh Georgia peach back there. That's probably a good one. White Russian. Economic Crunch from 1987. Delightful mash. This flavor we remember for the stock market crash on the 6th of November. What a cluster. And back here, That's my jam. Oh, Dave Matthews Band's Magic Brownies. The first edition was 2 vanilla, so we more or less remixed it. The encore was raspberry, but not enough, so we deep fixed it. 2007, 2011. Honey, I'm home. Coconut almond fudge chip, and I think that's all of them here. Thank you for visiting our dearly depined. Pretty neat little thing here in Vermont. One of the must-sees if you're visiting Vermont. The Ben & Jerry's, Flavor Graveyard, and Ice Cream Factory. They do offer tours, they're $5, but it's better to book them online, and if you wait too long like I did, you won't be able to go. And again, as always, thanks for watching my videos. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps out. And if you want to see more of my travels, subscribe. And as always, please be nice to each other. Again, thanks for watching.